Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to quickly replace finished models and materials. Let's try it together. Part 1. One-click model replacement. In the Design tool, select a furniture model and click on Replace in the floating window. Select the model you want to replace in the pop-up panel. Then click to successfully replace it. Part 2. Material replacement. Select a model and click Material Editor in the floating window. Enter the Material Editor page, click on the part you want to replace, and then select the new material on the left panel to replace. After replacing, you can adjust the location and size in the right property panel. You can also click ultra-fast rendering to preview the effect in advance. Once the settings are completed, you can click Complete in the upper right corner to exit the material editing page and view the final effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.